In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail shortcut on desktop. If you want faster access to your email without opening Chrome and typing in Gmail every time, this is a simple and useful setup. By installing Gmail as an app through Chrome, you can create a desktop shortcut that opens Gmail more like a standalone program. It only takes a moment, and once it's done, getting to your inbox becomes much more convenient. To begin, go to your Gmail inbox in Google Chrome. Make sure you're on the main Gmail page and that everything has finished loading before moving on. Starting from your inbox helps ensure Chrome recognizes the page correctly for the app style shortcut. Once you're in Gmail, look to the top right corner of your Chrome browser and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find several browser options and tools. Take your time here because the option you need is inside one of the menu sections. From that menu, hover over the option labeled Cast, Save and Share. When you hover over it, another side menu should appear. This sub-menu includes sharing and installation-related options, and that's where the shortcut setup begins. Next, click on Install Page as App. This tells Chrome to create a more app-like version of the Gmail page instead of just saving it as a regular bookmark. In many cases, this gives you a cleaner experience because Gmail can open in its own window, separate from your usual browser tabs. After that, a small pop-up window titled Pages App will appear. In that window, click Install to confirm. Chrome will then create the Gmail app shortcut for you. Depending on your computer settings, it may appear directly on your desktop, in your apps list, or both. Once installed, you can open Gmail from that shortcut anytime for quicker access. This is especially helpful if you check email often throughout the day and want to keep it one click away. If you don't immediately see the shortcut on your desktop, check your computer's applications area or Chrome's app-related shortcuts, since placement can vary slightly by device and operating system. But the installation process is the same. And that's it. You've now created a Gmail desktop shortcut using Chrome, making it easier to open your inbox quickly whenever you need it.